The Samsung Galaxy A77 5G has started generating buzz through early leaks and rumors, with many expecting it to become one of the most premium mid-range phones in Samsung's Galaxy A series. Reports suggest the A77 5G could feature an upgraded AMOLED display with a high refresh rate for smoother visuals, along with a more powerful Snapdragon or Exynos chipset to deliver better gaming and multitasking performance. Camera improvements are also heavily rumored, possibly bringing a higher resolution main sensor with enhanced night photography and video stabilization. In addition, the device may include a larger battery with faster charging support, continuing Samsung's push for longer-lasting smartphones in the mid-range market. While Samsung has not officially confirmed the Galaxy A77 5G yet, leaks indicate it could arrive sometime in 2026 as a strong competitor to other upper mid-range Android devices, offering flagship-like features at a more affordable price.